We chose Van Cleef Construction due to their reputation.
Just referral basis from friends and family, and we knew that we really wanted a quality job, as well as just kind of sticking to the style of the home that we have, and we knew that their team would be great to help us with that aspect of the project.
Well, one thing that I really like about our remodel is the setup of our new kitchen. Everything just kind of fits into place a little bit better. I can't imagine it being another way.
One of my favorite things about the new kitchen is really the larger island. Previously, we had a smaller island that had the stovetop within the island, and I knew that that probably wasn't the best setup for our family. One of our non-negotiables for sure was 3 stools at the island because we have 3 small children. And I really wanted the island top to be completely free of any sort of sink or cookware, so that we could really just kind of come together as a family and congregate there around the island.